Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix screen time not working on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and your iPhone screen time is not working, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So now to do that, you have to open your settings app here. Very first, you have to check here for your software update to avoid issues. So open your software update here and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. Then go back from here and you just have to go for screen time settings, and here you can see my screen time has been disabled or it's not working. Now to fix that, you have to make a simple step. You just have to tap on app and website activity, then select turn on app and website activity from here. Once you have turned on, your screen time will be enabled and you will get your screen time information on your settings. So in this way, you can easily fix if your screen time is not working on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.